Alright guys, welcome back. Today we're changing actuator 2013 Honda Odyssey. Now my wife loves Honda and we have Honda call all the time, and most of the time that the actuator go bad, about a year, sometimes 2 years, and we had it car maybe a couple years now. I think I'm checking the actuator out here on one time without any cord. But we did have another Odyssey, and it had the same problem. See, I rigged this right here. I rigged this. I had a video I rigged it on this one time before. See, if you want let's say cold air, and the actuator, I took it out last time and I orders and it didn't fit, so I have to send it back. But I have to rig this again. So if my wife go on heat, she'll pull this and the level go up this, and the air come out and it stay up. It won't fall down. Right? Come up, you get heat. You fall down, you get cold. So that's one of the ways you can rig it up if you have money to buy, put another one. You see how that works? Cold, pull up, you get hot. The vent, I get hot. Cold, pull up, hot. That's simple. See how I rig it up? See? I rig it up. Cold, hot, cold, hot, cold, hot. All right. There's a rigging line, right? So you gotta be creative, man. You gotta be creative. Now I'm gonna get the other actuator out, and the actuator there. Get that out. There's a knife, flashlight. Let you see. Let's see the screw. 2 screws there. Then we got one screw there. Alright. I don't know if you guys can see. You see that screw right there? Right there. You see that screw? Let's go over there. That's the one you need to get out. Back out. You're looking to underneath the steering wheel. This kind of bends up and down, so maybe that'll help. On this one, you gotta find a different attachment to go in. Don't fall out. What you got? Oh, and all of this on Amazon. this actuator is for the bottom one, and this for the top of this one. See, pretty much got go in like that. Alright. Here's a new one. Alright, take this screw out. And let's hook in out of that. Put the other one on. Just now new one back in. That's what we had. Let's get back in there. Okay, when you put it together, make sure this thing sit like exact the same, or you have a hard time putting it in. Remember this flat side right here? Gotta be flat, and they need to face the same direction. That's what put them in. And flat, flat. If it's flat right here, yeah, you can mess up. Just won't get it in. Now let's go to the bottom. So I need to get rid of my freaking wire here. And Put the 2 actuators in. Man, they're working great. Heat. Alright guys, when you do this, when you put an actuator, you gotta make sure you put the plastic that hook into the actuator in a certain position if you want the air to go all the way to the vent, or go to to the vent, to the windshield, or down to your body here. Okay, I didn't know. I did it some before, but I forget. But you gotta play around with it. Put it in a different situation and see which one will work for you. The thing that goes to the actuator, the little top, the top one, it had to go that way, so the way air is going around to your where you see that. But it go this way, it go all the way to the windshield. So you want to put it, on the other direction, to the left, so that way you go toward into the car instead of to the windshield. And that's it. You just gotta play around with it 1 or 2 times. It was a pain in the butt. They had no room to kind of put in, and plus I missed some screws, so the actuator only hold by 2 screws, but I think it's strong enough that'll work. Until I find more screws and I put it in. But somehow I lost some screws. I don't know if it's small. You don't look at all often, so you misplay them. But everything working now. I got heat. The 2 actuators. I turn it down to AC. AC cold. So my wife be happy. So I think I did a good job. I'm not a mechanic, but I do what I can. Common sense. Alright guys, that's it.